Most people see India as a country of endless differences. But what if I told you that this incredible journey reveals a profound and beautiful unity waiting to be discovered in every landscape? On this Independence Day, this video takes you on an unparalleled journey of 5 unique places, showcasing the stunning variety of India. You will gain a unique perspective on how a nation so incredibly diverse finds its strength and identify in unity, providing the true connection transcends all differences. आपने कच्छ नहीं देखा तो कुछ नहीं देखा. Here the white land stretches like a dreamscape. Gulmarg is poetry, written in snow in the majestic P Panjal range. The Teesta Valley in North Bengal offers pure adrenaline. Kanyakumari, the southern tip of India, where the 3 great water bodies merge. In the tiger reserves of Madhya Pradesh, every safari begins with a heartbeat of hope. White sands, due to its salt content, reflects sunlight with blaze. Rows of camel carts gently swaying across the desert. There is a silence here that speaks to your soul. Nestled in the Kashmir Valley, Gulmarg welcomes you with its crisp air and soft white silence. The gondola lifts you above the pine-laced slopes into the sky so blue, it feels unreal. Up there, you feel small and yet completely free. Whitewater rafting that throws you right into nature's pulse. You grip your oars, heart pounding as the river tosses and turns, daring you to let go. Choppy waves at Kanyakumari makes the geography surreal. At the jungle, a gaur peacefully grazes. Sun peeps through the dense woods. The sun at the run prepares to set. As the sun dips low, the salty canvas glows in hues of orange and pink. Casting long shadows, ambience becomes magical. The sun also sets into the sea like the molten gold, and the legacy of ancient travelers, philosophers, and seers lingering in the air. In Gulmarg, whether you are skiing down the powdery trails or just soaking in the views, Gulmarg wraps you in the feeling of paradise on earth. This isn't just winter, it's wonder. At Teesta River, cold splashes hit your face as you ride each wave. Every rapid a mini battle, every triumph a shot of joy. At the tiger territory, a tiger emerges, majestic, calm, utterly indifferent to your gaze. It walks, stretches and settles by a puddle, its kingdom, and it rules. And when the moon rises, oh, what a sight! The silver moonlight floods the salt flats, making it feel you are walking on another planet. These are priceless memories etched forever. As you return from the safari, your mind will rewind the beauty of the majestic beast you just saw. Memories of the snow will also be frozen as you descend in Gulmarg. Humbling memories at Kanyakumari, the end of land, the start of stories. And in Teesta Valley, soaked and smiling, you realize you will fondly remember this adventure forever. India is a universe of landscapes, emotions, and unforgettable moments. These 5 places are just the beginning. The real magic, it begins when you choose to explore. Like, share, and subscribe if you have enjoyed this video.